traders. First of all, I would like to say happy new year to everybody, and I appreciate you guys watching my video. So a new year, all the mistakes we did on 2022, all the losses we incurred, they just gone with 2022. So now we in 2023. It's a new year, new opportunities, new goals. So guys, yeah, let's just kick in the year with the analysis of the coming week, starting on the 90th of January. So we are just here on TradingView, and this is the analysis that I made last year. Okay, let's start with Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq. I'm just gonna be deleting some other areas here. Okay, like this one here. We don't need it anymore. The fair value, this gap here, I don't need it anymore. I'm just gonna extend this right about there. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, let me just change this color back to red. So I had this order block here. At the moment we're just kind of trading inside of this range here. So I'm expecting for this high to hold here. I'm expecting for this high to hold so that we can sell. But if it doesn't, I'm just gonna wait for it to come inside of this order block here, and then that's where I'm going to look for my sell. This is Nasdaq on a daily chart. So let's just switch on to the 4-hour chart and see what's going on here. Okay, so on the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. We have another order block right there. On the 4-hour chart, where is that thing? There you go. Okay, this is our order block on the 4-hour chart. Let me just give it a name here. H4OB. Okay, so like I mentioned, we will be looking to sell Nasdaq inside of this range here. The reason why I'm saying I'm looking for sells is because I still strongly believe that Nasdaq is still gonna fall, at least up until this low over here. I think this consolidation here is just creating momentum so that it can fall. So for Nasdaq, that's what I have for you guys. We have this order block here and the high right over there. That's where I will be looking to sell. And if it does break, then I'm looking at this order block right here. And inside of that order block, we have a fair value gap right there. So our entry, we can target the mid of that fair value gap, or the entire thing. So those are the options we have on Nasdaq in terms of selling. Okay, let's move on to USDT. USDT. I see the high over there, and I see a fair value gap. The fair value gap. Okay guys, let me just try to change the color here. Okay, so let's move to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that it kind of broke that high over there. So what I will be doing for USDT is I will be looking for a sell. I think I will wait for this fair value gap to be filled, then wait for a sell inside of that daily order block. And if it shows us a signs of reversal, then I'm gonna sell. So if you guys know about the stop hunt, this break here looks like a stop hunt, but it's kind of broke. So it was consolidating, broke, so there is a chance that it might reverse or it might go up to the order block. But either way, I'm looking for a sell, whether it fills the order block and then come into the daily order block and then sell, or just give us a selling signal right away, then I'm gonna enter. And overall, I'm still looking for short on USDT, at least up to this low over here, and this is a daily time frame. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you can see you saw me draw up this order block here, and I mentioned that we might bounce inside of this order block. So guys, yeah, this is pretty much the analysis I did from last year. There's just nothing more to do, just adding on to the analysis that we have here. And then this is a what FVG fair value gap, my fair value gap right there. So for USDT, I'm also looking for a sell. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see how it plays. And I'm looking for this area here, this low here. That's why I'm saying I'm looking for a sell. I'm just looking for it to at least drop up until this low here. Then we'll make a decision as to whether we still want to go down with it or looking for another opportunities. Gold. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove this fair value gap because it's no longer of use. And also even this high over there is, I think it kind of broke. So what do we have here? Okay, at the moment we see that gold is trading higher. So if you want to continue trading buying gold, we will be looking at this previous high over here. And what do we have here? We have this high on the left hand side here, which I will be looking, I'll be watching the market as it move toward that high over there. And also we have a order block. And guys, if you want to know how I draw my order block, I have videos, I think 2 videos about order blocks on my channel. You can just go ahead and watch those videos, and you'll understand why I draw my order blocks like this. Okay, yeah, we are on the daily time frame. I'm just gonna change it back to red. So we have an order block, and we have liquidity lying up there. So I'm thinking gold might push a little bit to the upside, and then that's why we will be looking at our sell. And also we have another order block here, which is a small order block right about there. Let me see if I can just resize it correctly here. This one here. It's another order block right there. So yeah, gold at the moment it's inside of the order block, so it can go either way. It can go up, attack that liquidity, or it can just sell right away. And if it does sell, then this is your take profit. So for gold, I will wait, but I'm looking at this liquidity right here. If it gets taken out, we get some sort of a selling signal, then we enter. And this is a daily time frame, by the way. On a 4-hour chart, let's see what we have on a 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, yeah, we'll just have to wait and see on gold, see how it plays out. AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD. Okay, let me just start by removing this one here because it's no longer useful. So AUD USD, I'm thinking of a sell because we are pretty much inside of the other block. Yeah, we are pretty much inside of this other block here, so I will be looking for sales. Move to the 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart, what do we have that we can use? Okay, let me see. Think let me move to the 1-hour chart. Okay, I think this thing, it was supposed to fall, but we had NFP on Friday, this move here, which kind of messed everything up. So on the 1-hour chart, I'm thinking of waiting for it to maybe come into this other block here on the daily, then look for a sell, because as you can see here, it made some sort of equal highs. And if you know anything about how the institutional traders trade, then you would know that this double top here, it's a risky trade to take. So at least wait for it to enter another order block that you can finally look for yourselves, and then take profit. You can target this order block here on the 1 hour, or this low, that low, or this other block. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, I think I had this range here, and this is a daily time frame. I had this range, then false breakout, it dropped, now it came inside of the range again. But this range, I don't think it's useful anymore, so I'm just gonna delete it. And also on Euro USD, I'm still short, so even this order block, I think I'm gonna get rid of it and throw this one here. Okay, so I have this order block here. So yeah, I'm still short on the Euro USD. So what I would like to see is for it to come inside the order block and then look for my selling opportunities. Let's see on a 4-hour chart. On a 4-hour chart, we had this consolidation here. So yeah, this is giving me confidence that it's gonna sell. As you can see, we had consolidation, breakout, so we have the liquidity lying to the upside here. So what I would like to see is for the market to kind of give me a selling signal from where we are, but I want to see just a little bit of a spike to the upside, and then I'll be looking for a sell. So Euro USD, pretty much everything I analyzed up to this point, I'm looking for a sell, except for gold. Gold, I'm still gonna wait for it, for a confirmation. So what is this? NZD USD. NZD USD, I'm also looking for a sell. And guys, you can just go back to the video I did, the last video I did about the weekly analysis. You'll see all these areas here. I just did them on a video, if you guys would like to check that one out. So what do we have on the 4-hour chart? Yeah, I think I'm gonna sell New Zealand USD right away when the market opens. Yeah, it looks like a good setup for me. So this is the 4 hours, the 1 hour chart. Let's see on the 1 hour chart. So yeah, on the 1 hour chart, I'm looking for a market to kind of give me some sort of selling momentum, then reversal, then I'll take my trade on a reversal. So let me see this area here. What is it? I would say this is still pretty much, this is not useful anymore. Let me just delete it, and I have what I see, another other block right there. Okay, yeah, I see other block right about there. Okay. So let's go to the 4 hours again. Okay, we have 2 other blocks here. This is looking great for me for sell. It's looking good. New Zealand USD, yeah, I'll be looking for a sell as well. AUD JPY, let's go to the daily time frame. So AUD JPY, I'm still looking for a sell as well, because as you can remember, this candle, I think there was some sort of interest rate for Japanese yen, so the market was kind of feeling that fair value gap. So I'm still looking for a sell on AUD JPY. Still pretty much looking for a sell. Yeah. So I think I will wait for it to enter this order block here. I check this high here, not too much, but enter this order block here, then I'll be looking for my sales. Let's see on the 4 hour chart. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's even inside of a range here. So yeah, I'll be looking for a sell on AUD JPY. Euro JPY, yeah, Euro JPY, it's kind of tricky. Okay, let me see here. Okay, we have not this thing here. Why is it doing measure tool? I think this is it. We have what? We have that gap over there, and also this big momentum candle here. This is interest rate for Japanese yen. So I'm thinking, but yeah, this one reached the area that I was looking for, I was targeting. So we are on it hit this low here, so I'm thinking that it might go up into this other block here, then we can finally sell. But at the moment it seems like it's rejecting this area here. We had this low here, which is got breaking, then came back, then now it's rejecting. And I see another other block right there. I see another other block right about there. So if this continues to go up, this is the other block I will be looking at. Be looking for the market to come inside this other block, and if I see a good selling opportunity, then I will take it. And then if it breaks, I'm looking for this big order block here on the daily time frame. Okay, let me just switch to the 4-hour chart and see what's what. Yeah, I'm thinking that this thing will shoot up, because as you can see, it made an impulse, consolidation, bearish engulfing, and I think it's enticing sellers to get into the market so that it can go attack their stops, get inside of this other block, then finally sell. So yeah guys, that's it for this week. I will see you tomorrow with an update. So yeah guys, that's pretty much what I'll be looking at for this coming week. So yeah, that's it for me guys. Hasta la vista.